This is okay, garage. Welcome back again. Today, I want to do a video about how to check the clearance of engine if your engine is not sparking or is not responding after overhauling. What to do? So I'm going to teach about. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and here we go. You use the start. You use the fuel start at a 0.30 fuel start, and then 0.25 fuel start. First, we are going to use 0.30 fuel start to check that before. If it didn't go under 8, then use a 25. So we are going to check the clearance between the camshaft loop and then the shims. Here is it, this one. Talking about this one. This is the shims. So I'm going to use the 30. Here is the loop. You set your loop like this. Then we check it. I'm going to see the 30 fuel start. It's good to go. Here too is good to go. Here too, yeah, it's good to go. The first one, this one, it doesn't go under 8 well. Here, the clearance is there. Here too, the clearance is there. You see the clearance is there. Here too, clearance is there. You can see. So, we want to go turn it again and see. It is okay right here. Okay, 30 is here. It's the clearance is under it. And we check the clearance. This one too, and this one too, this one too, and this one too. The clearance is okay. Clearance is okay. See, the clearance is okay. So you check, set your camshaft loop, set it. You position the main shaft, that's the crankshaft. You position it to a free roll. Let's take it like this. This is the free roll. Set it to the mark. You see the free roll I'm talking about. The free roll I'm talking about. So we set it there. After that, then we check clearance between them. We check the clearance between them, between the loop and then the shims by using 0.30 and 0.25 fill star to check that. If you're getting your clearance correct, then it's good. If you check it and the clearance is not good, the 30 cannot go, 25 cannot go, that means you have to check the frame. The frames, you need to check it well and see whether you grind the top small because maybe the shims that you are using is new, so it's up. That's why there's no clearance. If there's no clearance between them, your engine is not going to start. So it's better to check that after building up your engine. You use the filter to check the clearance even before you put it in the car. You have to check that clearance before you put it in the car. After that, so if you forgot before you put it on the car, then it doesn't spark. You need to go to that route. Then your problem is solved. Thank you. Subscribe to LK Garage, and here we go. See you next time. Bye.